Hello everybody, SHAZIZZS here. I wanted to share with you the first generator that I ever built back in the day. It's been many moons ago. Call this my SHAZIZZS Redneck Emergency Generator. Let me get down here. This right here is an old 4-horse Briggs & Stratton engine that I got off of a self-propelled mower. It already had a pulley on there, as it used a belt to drive the self-propelled part. And anyway, this came off an old junk lawnmower. It's 4-horse Briggs & Stratton. And this right here is an AC Delco Alternator. These are really good. They have a built-in regulator. And they're really easy to wire up as far as all your electrical goes. You got your positive and your negative, and then you have your switch down here, which the red wire loops back around to the positive side over here, and then the white wire is actually for this switch right here that also goes to the positive side of your terminal. Over here I switched from white to yellow because I didn't have long enough wire, but that also goes to your positive side of your terminal, so that when you're running this, where's my negative side? Here it is, positive and negative. Anyway, when you're running this, if you want to shut the alternator off, that's why I put a little switch in there. Normally there'd be some sort of relay that would turn it on and off whenever your voltage got to a certain level. Anyway, over here we have a 700 watt peak, 350 watt DC to AC power inverter, and real simple to hook up your positive and your negative. And I basically just got this one here, came with these clamps right here, so I just got them basically clamped on there. You just hook that to your car battery and fire this thing up. When you get it fired up, flip that switch and you can hear the alternator kick on, and it'll charge a car battery in a hurry. Got a 12 volt meter down here, lets you know when it's charging. And either way, I just wanted to share that with you. Me and a buddy welded this frame together to mount everything on here. Real simple deal for emergency purposes. If you need a little generator, you can run your 110 off of this and your 12 volts off of this right here and keep your batteries charged up. It'll also be something good to put in the back of a pickup truck that during the winter time or something like that, you could jump start folks that are broke down or whatever. Anyway, there it is. SHAZIZZS Redneck Emergency Generator. Got your throttle right here. That's about all I can say. It's just a simple project that anybody can do. Go out and get you some old General Motors AC Delco alternators. They're marked right on the back for your battery and your wiring, everything like that. It's real simple setup. If you have any questions and need any help putting it together when you decide to make one of these, just give me a holler. It's nothing to it. I got this handle right here, which is bolted to the alternator, so that whenever you pull this, you can tension up the belt and then bolt it down, and there you go. You got a homemade emergency generator. So let me see if I can zoom in a little bit here and maybe you can get a better look at what's going on. Zoom in on the inverter. Any inverter would work. Can't you tell if that doggone thing is all blurry or what? Won't know until I actually finish the video. There's your AC Delco alternator. See if I can get a real close-up look on the wiring. As far as I can get in there doing that. Here, I'll try to give you a better look this way, make you dizzy. Alrighty then. There we have our voltmeter. This is the wiring that I was talking about on this plug right here. The red wire just loops right up around to there, and then the white wire, which turns into this yellow wire. I've got it bolted right to the edge of that, and then I have a switch in between there, and then that's a better look at the inverter. And that's the old antique freaking 4-horse Briggs & Stratton motor right there, 187 cc, 4 horsepower. Let's see if I can get a look up underneath this thing. Yeah, not enough light down there. Either way, it's a belt drive. Belt to there. Real simple project. Hope you like it. Peace and love, everybody. If you need any help, just give me a holler, and I'll help you any way I can. Take care. Me again, another short little addendum, something I meant to mention in the video. Sorry about all the jumping around there in the video, but there's a book out there called Secrets of the Alternator for these old AC Delco alternators. It talks about in the book about taking the diodes out, and these alternators are capable of producing 120 volts AC right out of the gate. So that might be something you might want to look into, and I'm thinking about trying to build a hydrogen cell and trying to convert this little generator right here just for fun over to hydrogen. And I've got so many projects in the works right now. If I get around to it, then I'll do it. If not, there's also another deal out there, the GEAT system, that I was thinking about maybe trying to do something like that. I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but either way, look up that book called Secrets of the Alternator. I can't remember who the author is. I used to have a copy, but I gave it to a friend, so I haven't seen it since. Anyway, peace and love, everybody. Take care.